Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and we've got some good stuff going on today. Calendar is from forexfactory.com. Looking at the calendar for Wednesday, August 13th. What do we have? We have 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. At 11:15, we have President Trump speaking. At 1 o'clock, we have FOMC member Goolsbee speaking. And at 1:30, FOMC member Bostic speaking. So there you have it, some talking heads and a little bit of economic information. The crude oil inventories will affect crude oil if you trade that. That being said, really not a lot going on when it comes to major announcements. However, on Thursday, we've got PPI, and on Friday, we have retail sales. So a lot coming up on Thursday and Friday, if not today. Moving on, looking at the charts, taking a look at the daily chart. Let's scroll back to the daily. We did go to all-time highs, closed at a new all-time high, and we are gapping up as we speak. Hey, massive double top here. We'll see if we can continue to go up. Volume was still below average, even on that big day, was still slightly below average. You can see the average line here is a 14-day moving average line. And yeah, so we are up here in nosebleed areas. So where are we going to the top side? I have no idea. There's no chart structure, no volume, nothing to give me any clue as to where we could go. That being said, Fibonacci extension is about the best guess. Maybe tomorrow I'll put some Fibonacci extensions on. We'll see what that leads us to. Not super exciting. It makes you think, why is the market up at all-time highs? With tariffs going on, it just sort of defies logic. And I think that the only thing I can come up with is that the market climbs the wall of worry. So old saying, maybe true. Looking at the inventory, big price movement, big inventory. Inventory is up 21,000 contracts, and why not? We're at all-time highs. Totally makes sense to me. Looking at the overnight action, let's see, we've got 61 to 84. It's a 23 points of overnight action. That's about average. Again, where do we go for support and resistance? Resistance on the top side. We've got some Fibonacci numbers up here. 64.92, 65.17. You have to sort of fill in the blanks there. 6,500 should be resistance at the whole number. No idea. Again, we're at all-time highs. Where do we have support? Support, we've got some at 64. Let's call it 64.60, 64.50-ish. There's a interesting spot at 64.40, 64.32. Don't have too much to say about support and resistance, as we are just all the way up at the top of the chart. Even the stuff below has not had any longer term volume and or price action to produce any kind of real support. So it's kind of a hard conversation. Stock Trader's Almanac today is 42.9, 42.9. So that means there is a 57.1% chance the market will go down today. That is from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.